Alright, so I've actually been mildly sick for these past couple of days, so I haven't had chance to edit my videos, but I hope you enjoy these next couple of videos I'm releasing anyways. So yeah. This is a crazy town vlog. What do you want?
Donut?
You want a donut?
No, donut in the fridge.
Okay, sure, I'll share a donut with you. But today is a day that I'm spending at home, and I realized that this place is so messy. Okay, that's a bad example. Just go this way a little bit. There's stuff on the floor. So it looks like I'm going to have to clean this up because nobody else is cleaning it up, even though none of it is mine. I think I would like to live in a clean environment, so even though other people are leaving a mess, I will probably clean it up. Hopefully my future college roommates don't watch this video, because then they'll probably take advantage of me, but I mean, I'd rather it be clean, so. You're microwaving the donut.
Yeah.
Microwaving the donut. Okay.
This. Gideon.
Over here, there's like a bunch of stacks of flyers. These are my sister's flyers. There's a lot of them. But I don't know why there's 3 stacks. It's kind of unnecessary if you think about it. I thought I'd also really talk really quick about what this is. My sister started a company that you can get college advising from college students. So yeah, I guess a link will be in the description. I am currently going to go pick up my sister, but I decided to start a new Pokemon game. Because I decided that it would be interesting to try to beat the video game in the time it takes to pick up my sister. Not just one ride, but today's the last day she has swim, but I'm probably gonna take her to school too, so that's the game. Alright, so today we are going to be cooking some ramen for lunch. Or actually not ramen, just the noodles. I'm stealing the noodles from the ramen because the package, which I already opened, but it's, let me switch the camera around. Package is potato ramen. So it's made out of potatoes, which is pretty cool. I won't be using the MSG packet, or I might use a little bit, but I'm gonna add my own condiments. Alright, so I'm gonna use the condiments they gave me, which are dry, but I'm also cut up some of my own mushrooms and chong, so we're gonna be adding that to our ramen. Of course, my own scallop. Yes, tasty. Of course, what's ramen without an egg? Alright, time to find out how I did. Alright, so the noodles are pretty good. The egg is perfectly cooked. And rip it, and the yolk comes out, so that's pretty good. So overall, I'd say I'm pretty happy.